Anytime now, gates open, that up and racing. Gold Quest draws for your lead. Yellow Art moving up in between runners. Then comes Cheerleader. Outstanding running by Darrell Comi Tattoos. Then comes 6A Big Pocket. Then next in line, Di Ko Akalain. Running by Darrell Erica's Champ. Second last, Influential. And trailing the group is El Bimbo as they head towards the last 800 with Yellow Art by about 3 lengths. Running in second is Cheerleader. Moving a party outside 6A. And this one is Big Pocket as they rounded the last 600. Yellow Art still leading the field. Big Pocket now running in second, and by the rail is Cheerleader as they race at the last 450. Yellow Art, Big Pocket throwing a challenge on the outside. Erica's Jump moving a party outside as they swing for home with 6A Big Pocket. Now the leader followed by Yellow Art. Moving up is Comi Tattoos together with Erica's Jump. We have Big Pocket, Comi Tattoos moving a party outside, a long shot. Now we have Comi Tattoos takes the lead over Big Pocket. And finally Comi Tattoos, Big Pocket, Gold Quest, Outstanding, Yellow Art for your Pentapecta.
Okay, 169 ang ating